Here's my review of the Roborock S7 Max Ultra. This machine has a docking station with clean and dirty water containers for mopping and a dust container. It empties itself, which is pretty cool. It's self-washing, self-refilling. You can choose the vacuum, mop, or you can do both in the app. It lifts up to go onto rugs and is smart enough to detect rugs so it won't mop on the rug. It'll only vacuum. It avoids obstacles like shoes and chairs. I got this as a wedding present. Would I buy it for myself? Yes, absolutely. It makes life easier and I can spend less time vacuuming.